JavaScript. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a programming language that is primarily used to create interactive effects on web pages. It was created in 1995 by Brendan Eich, and has since become one of the most popular programming languages in the world. JavaScript is a high-level language, meaning it is designed to be easy for humans to read and write, and is often used in conjunction with HTML and CSS to create dynamic web content. JavaScript can be used for a wide range of tasks, including form validation, interactive maps, and animations. It is also used to create more advanced web applications, such as social media platforms and online games. Because JavaScript runs on the client side, in the user's web browser, it is often used to add interactivity and responsiveness to web pages without requiring server-side processing. JavaScript has a large and active community of developers, and there are many libraries and frameworks available to make development faster and easier. Some popular libraries and frameworks include React, Angular, and Vue. Basics of JavaScript. Variables. Variables are used to store values in JavaScript. You can declare variables using the var, lat, or const keywords. Data types. JavaScript has several data types including strings, numbers, booleans, objects, and arrays. Operators. JavaScript has several operators such as arithmetic operators, plus, slash, comparison operators, equals, greater than, less than, and logical operators, and vertical bar. Control structures. Control structures are used to control the flow of code in JavaScript. Examples include if/else statements, loops, for, while, and switch statements. Functions. Functions are reusable blocks of code that perform a specific task. You can declare functions using the function keyword and call them later in your code. Objects. Objects are a way to store and organize data in JavaScript. They consist of key-value pairs and can be created using object literals, or using constructor functions. Arrays. Arrays are used to store collections of data in JavaScript. They can be created using square brackets. Events. JavaScript allows you to respond to user interactions with your web page through events. Examples include click events, key press events, and mouse over events. These are just a few of the basics of JavaScript. With practice and continued learning, you can become proficient in this versatile language. Good luck!